Hey Internet, for this video I'm going to show how to replace an old screen protector from your phone with a new one. This video is useful for those who just bought a used phone with a less than perfect screen protector installed. Remove the screen protector by using a thin card or fingernail to slip between the screen protector and phone screen. Then gently push the old screen protector out of the phone like I do here. It should come right off. Most screen protector kits come with some cleaning stuff. Use them. Mine came with this anti-dust and wipe. If not, just use a glass cleaning cloth and wipe the screen clean. Applying the screen protector. Remove the protective film. It will tell you which side you put on the phone screen. Pretty much the toughest part, which may require a couple of tries. It's applying the screen protector. Align the screen protector with the phone such that the little front camera openings and speakers aren't covered by the screen protector. The screen protector should stick to the screen. Use a card or your fingers to press and get rid of any air pockets between the screen protector and screen. Once the screen is air pocket free, you're done. And that's it. Hope this video helped. Thanks for watching.